If you're buying or selling a car in Pennsylvania, one of the most important steps is transferring the title. This process officially moves ownership of the vehicle from the seller to the buyer. First, both parties need to have proper ID. That means either a valid Pennsylvania driver's license, a state-issued photo ID, or a US passport. You'll also need the current certificate of title. This is the document that proves who owns the vehicle, and it'll be used for the transfer. You will also need proof of insurance. Other acceptable ownership documents include out-of-state titles, manufacturer certificates of origin, or even a court order in special cases. But for most people, the Pennsylvania title is what you'll be using. Now, to transfer a title in PA, both the buyer and the seller must sign the title in front of a notary. This is a required step, and the sale price must also be written on the title. Don't use nicknames, don't cross anything out, and stick to black or blue ink. Even small mistakes can void the whole document. After signing, the seller needs to write down the vehicle's odometer reading on the title. Then they'll remove the license plates from the car, because in Pennsylvania, the plates stay with the owner, not the vehicle. The buyer needs to have valid insurance before they register the vehicle. So make sure to bring proof of insurance when heading to PennDOT. Finally, the buyer takes all the paperwork to a PennDOT location to complete the registration and pay the taxes and fees. That's the full process. Just be careful with the title. It's an important legal document, and small errors can delay everything. For more details or forms, you can always visit the Pennsylvania DMV or check out step-by-step help on trusted websites like Private Auto.